guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox and review a beauty box for you guys, which I didn't see many people review, and I was like, what? Why aren't people reviewing this? And that is the idiva beauty box. And do tell me that you have seen a review of this, because I haven't. I have seen about one or two. That's it. This retails for $16.99, and from the total of the products that I received here was 4239. So you are paying rupees 1700, like of course it's 1700 with free shipping, and you're getting products rupees 4239. For me, that seals the deal. The products come in this huge box, and I just love this graphic over here. Tell me you don't like it. To be honest, this is quite a huge box. When you open it up, there is this tissue paper that says Savage Bhi Sundar Bhi, and I just love that hashtag. So I'm going to show you the products one by one. There is of course a gift voucher, and then there is this note from the team idiva. I really like this graphics. I really like it. I'm not going in any particular order. I'll just show whatever comes to my hands. First thing is this Pantene Oil Replacement cream. I do use the bigger bottle of it. This retails for rupees 85. This is the smaller travel size bottle. I for one love this cream. This is the perfect after wash leave-in conditioner for my hair. It controls the frizz, it makes it manageable, it reduces the tangles in it. I freaking love it, and if you haven't tried it out, you must try this out. The next thing, let's just stay with the hair products. Next thing is this cutesy hair brush from TS. This brand, I have used their nail polish earlier, and now it's the hair brush. I seriously thought that this is never gonna be enough for my hair, because if you know me, I have waist length hair, but I was surprised. This detangled my hair so easily, and this is the perfect size to be in your handbag. This retails for 200 rupees. Next, moving on to skincare on body products, we have this lavender body wash from Happily Unmarried, and I haven't even opened it up yet, so let's just open it up and sniff it. It smells heavenly. Oh fuck. And it's quite a creamy body wash. I haven't used it, of course, I just opened it up. This retails for 350 rupees, and I will have to use it. I will use it in the summer months, because lavender for me speaks and screams of summer and not so much of winter. Next is this Blossom Aroma Magic Grapefruit face wash. This says skin lightening and pore tightening. I have no idea how a face wash can be pore tightening, but if they say so, this retails for rupees 95, and let me just open it up. It smells very chemically, to be very honest. It smells sweet, but it's a chemically sweetened smell. I don't know how to express it, but I'm sure you get it. This retails for rupees 95. Next, there is this Olay 7 Effects 7 Skin Benefits in 1 Day Cream. This is the Anti-Aging Day Cream, and this retails for 399 rupees. I am not gonna use this because I haven't started using anti-aging products yet. I will probably give it to my mother. She would love it. She loves anything anti-aging, and this is perfect for her, and this also has SPF 50. Then this was something I was extremely excited about. This is a Juicy Chemistry Lavender Water Spray, and this retails for 450 rupees. That is too much of money for some lavender water. I really like the smell of lavender. Like, you can see the theme of this beauty box. It's to calm you down and just get you in the mood. This does smell very good, but I have to say this spray is very like on your face. It's not a well dispersed mist. It's like a spray. So I just like to spray it up and then go in. This is very relaxing, and it does calm you down a lot. Like, I am so calm right now, like, and I'm sleepy. If you couldn't tell, I am sleepy. But this is really good. It doesn't have that chemically lavender smell, like the chemical lavender smell. It has a natural lavender fragrance, and I really like it. And it does tone your skin and hydrate your skin deeply, so this is something I'm really happy about. There is this Yardley Morning Dew body spray. This retails for 65 rupees. This is a travel size. I am someone who doesn't like fruity floral fragrance, but this one, I really liked it. This has a certain musky note to it. This is floral, don't get me wrong, this is floral, but it has a certain musky note, so that is something I love, and this does stay on your skin for at least 12 hours, and that is something I love. And as it is a travel size, it's the perfect size to be in your bag all the time. There is this Indulgeo Essentials Rose Gold Oil, and I have been using this for the past 1.5 weeks now. I couldn't have been happier. This is the 5 ml bottle, and this retails for, this is expensive, this is 600 rupees. In the past week I've been using it. I have been using it every night before my moisturizer, and it has really cleared out my skin. It has made my skin glow, and I think the gold in it, like the gold flakes in it, see, these are the gold flakes in it, are really working. And rose oil, as you know, it's extremely good for your skin. I love it, and I do have an oily combination skin, and yet I love this product. We have this Plum Kajal in the shade Emerald Green. Let me just swatch it for you guys. So this is the color. This looks more blue, to be honest, than green, but I really like this color. This looks extremely nice and chic on your waterline, and I do use it on my waterline on a regular basis. It comes with its own sharpener and all, and that's very good. And Plum is a vegan and cruelty-free brand, and this retails for 499 rupees. And this is super long lasting on your waterline. Like, I have a watery waterline, but still it stays on my waterline for the whole day. The most expensive product in the box is this MyGlamm 3-in-1 primer base eyeshadow highlighter set. This is called All You Need 3-in-1 set, and this retails for 1195 rupees. Yeah, like effectively 1200 rupees. It looks so chic and travel friendly. MyGlamm products are packaged in a way that are travel friendly, and this is how it looks from the inside. It does have a good mirror in it. This is the primer base, like the eyeshadow base. This is the highlighting color, and this is the blue color. I don't know why they gave this blue. I'm just gonna do one swipe of each. So this is the highlighting shade. It's extremely good. Like, I love this highlighting shade, but the blue, it's not as pow as I would have wanted it to be, and it's quite crumbly as well. But the highlighting shade, I love it. 11.95 for this, I don't think is worth. The last product for which I couldn't find the price for the life of me is this Sugar lipstick mini, and this is in the shade number 02 Breaking Bad. This has become one of my favorite nude shades. So this is a nice rusty pink nude, and this will suit anyone from the fair or medium skin tone as a pinky nude, and for someone who is on the darker spectrum of shades, it will be the perfect My Lips but better. So this is gonna suit anyone and everyone. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want me to try out any other beauty box or subscription box or anything for that matter, leave the names in the comment section down below, and of course I will try and get back to you guys. I hope all of you are having a great day. Till the next time. Bye.